Hi, this is Kalyan. So I created an Angular project and I did all the formalities of npmi and all. After I run the command ngserve, so it's giving me error that cannot be loaded because running a script is disabled on the system. I will tell you the resolution for that. Open the PowerShell and right click on this and then run as administrator. Then do the yes. After that, I will give you a command and you will have to run that. Okay. This is the command set execution policy underscore execution policy remote and scope and current user. When you will do this, then it will ask you for yes or not, type Y, and the execution policy will get changed. After that, you will do the ngserve again, then it will start the browser application of your Angular project. So you can see the project has been compiled successfully and you will be able to see your project on localhost 4200.